This is at the Scandia. This will be a retake for me.
Yeah, I haven't been this far south yet, so. This is the first time I'm seeing this one. I mean, I've actually filmed further south.
Not like Englewood South, though.
Yeah. I haven't filmed like South Denver. There's the indicator up there. It looks like an Otis indicator. Okay, it's on. It looks like an Otis indicator. Is that an Otis indicator, Sam?
No, that's armor, I'm pretty sure.
Huh, I've seen those before.
Yeah, we've seen them on other Dovers.
Yeah.
The Otis ones are slightly different. Oh, it's a tiny bit low on oil.
Just enough.
I love this ceiling. This is cool.
Yeah, it makes it look like it's got a bunch of individual little bulbs. I don't think you pushed it enough.
Guess not. There we go. Capacity is 1,200 pounds.
So that's like 2 of us. Nah, that'd be like 10 people.
Yeah.
Almost. A little less.
Give or take.
Yeah, a little less. Whoops.
I love these armor buttons.
Let's fix that. There we go. Alright.
Oh, and look, it's... The switch is strange. I'm not going to pull it. But look, there's your Dover logo. None on the floor. But anyway, that's it.